Welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith,
And
we're
we're
here
here
with
with
the
Beauty Face.
Yay! So I was gonna chop open mine and then give her the knife, and she can open hers. She's always good at opening these things, and then we can open them at the same time, and we can see if we both got the same things, or did they jip one of us? So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see one of ours.
Hopefully they match.
I know, because last time I remember one of them didn't give me two of the items.
Trains, and beauty.
They said they'd give me a credit, by the way, and whoever it was was either Look Fantastic or this.
To be inside here, we shall see.
So 7 items. 7 items, so we'll see.
There's like a little code there for something. I don't know if you have to be a customer or not, but
I just want to show this. She's so pretty. It's like Kate Moss or somebody.
Beautiful.
It's a model, and it's Raw Spirit Midnight Pearl. I'll show you this.
And we should keep track and make sure we get everything we're supposed to.
I know, but we get 7. I see yours right there, so you can take
I
that one out.
realized in some of our boxes we actually do get different things or whatever, but in some of them we were supposed to get the same thing. So, you want to...
Ooh, I can show this one. This one's Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. It is so big. That's all I'm going to say. So that's shocking that it's a good size. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say this is one of the more expensive ones they do. And then this one, oh, Tarte. Is it a bronzer? Park Avenue. Oh, good.
I just bought literally like the full size of this.
It's Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I am like, thank the Lord Almighty, it is not a blush, because I have so many other like, you know, clay Amazonian blushes, and not that I mind those. I think I even showed it. Did I show it in like one of our last videos? I said like I was running out, so I bought a complete like full size one. So I might put this in a giveaway. But
I don't know.
A few more things. So Coup de lait, or however you say it, Vino Source or Vino Source moisturizing sorbet. I think she just recently got one of these, or one of us did, and
I'm gonna be getting another.
And I like it though, so I don't mind that at all. And then Elemis Pro Definition Day Cream, redefining day cream anti-aging. So again, something, because I'm all about skincare. I try to look younger than we are.
Yeah.
And then
you're holding that up. Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm skipping ahead.
What Kim was saying, there's 2 of his Ursa Major's Essential Face Wipe, and I love face wipes. So with aloe, bamboo, and green tea. I like my cellar water more than I think anything nowadays. So I bought a big thing the other day. It was just Garnier or Neutrogena or something. I bought one, but I'll always use those. Okay, and the last thing we have is the Dermal Repair Cream by Skin Medica. It says moisturize. So again, this box is one of the more expensive ones. I was trying to remember that. It's like 20, I think 7 or 26, somewhere around there. $26 to $27, and you get these items, and I think they're pretty good. And we got all of them at least. So I gotta figure out who it was who jipped me last time, but I'm pretty sure I was charged the regular amount this month by all the companies that charge us for our billing. So I'm gonna have to write to them and say, hey, you guys, you said you'd give me a credit. So we will see if they do that for us. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways, and give this video a thumbs up if you saw anything you like. And how fast we talk is always a good thing to let you go on to other things you'd like to watch. So take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.